Shashank here. Welcome to TD Academy's YouTube channel. So we'll be discussing about the upcoming Morat trade, which is going to be conducted on 24th of October from 6:15 to 7:15. On the occasion of Deepavali or Dhanteras, it is considered a good luck to be purchasing stocks during this trading period. So we'll be looking at a few stocks which are going to outperform for the next few years and which will bring a good luck to your portfolio as well. Mahindra and Mahindra is my first pick in automobile sector. So recently they have changed their logo. They have come out with new technology and new features which are out of the world in their cars. So the technology is developing very frequently in Mahindra and Mahindra. So we are looking at growth in sales too. So we'll be expecting some outperformance in this stock. So this is in the automobile sector. This is my first pick. So recently there is a news that they have tied up with Tata Chemicals for batteries which they will be using for their EV segment vehicles. So this is a very good news for Mahindra and Mahindra. So my next pick is going to be Axis Bank, which is from the banking sector. I don't have to speak much about this stock. It is going to be one of the best investments in your portfolio on a long-term basis. So their growth in the past few years has been amazing, and the stock has been really outperforming in the past quarter. So this will be a long-term investment as well as Diwali to Diwali also should be a good returns for you if you are going ahead with Axis Bank. So my third pick is from the cement sector, which is going to be Ambuja Cement. So recently taken over by the Adani groups. So this should be a very big outperformer and a multi-bagger, as there is a lot of development going on in our country. The sales are expected to go higher, and it is a part of Adani groups. So you know very well how Adani stocks are performing. So you should be extremely bullish on this stock too. My fourth pick for the day is going to be Devyani International. Devyani International handles KFC, Costa Coffee, and Pizza Hut. It is the sole owner in India. So your money will not stop growing as people will not stop eating junk food. So it has a very good sales and growth prospect in the future. So the stock is doing pretty well. So you can go ahead and look at Devyani International too. So this should be a multi-bagger in your portfolio in the coming years. So my fifth pick is going to be Trident. So Trident has been an outperformer through the years. So I've seen it personally grow from rupees 3 and has made a high of 70. Now the current market levels for the stock is rupees 35. So it is at a 50% drawdown. I think it is the best time for you to pick a few stocks of Trident. So Trident is the biggest textile company in India and it has seen a very good sales growth and expected to grow further. And now that they have entered into specialty chemicals, it is a very good prospect for the company to grow in sales and they're expanding their companies in many fields too. So my next pick is from the chemical sector, which is Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemicals is one of the biggest specialty chemical manufacturers in India, and they have recently tied up with Mahindra and Mahindra for supplying of batteries, and they supply batteries to their own subsidiary, which is Tata Motors, and the battery brand is called as Tata Green. So their sales are going to grow higher and higher over the next few years. So this should be a very good pick for your portfolio. And as the EV sectors are booming, the demand for batteries will increase and the stock should outperform. And this will be a multi-bagger in the chemical sector. So my last pick for this Mora trade is Larsen and Toubro, which is L&T. So it is an infrastructure company which is growing very rapidly and has seen good growth in the stocks as well. And with their sales, they are doing pretty well. So infrastructure development will not stop any soon. So they are going to bag a lot of orders and they are going to be outperforming for the next few years down the line. So I would expect everyone to have this stock in your portfolio. It is one of the safest and reliable stocks in the market as of now. So these were my 7 stock picks for this Diwali. So these stocks are picked out on the basis of their fundamentals and they have extremely good cash flow. So hope you are going to benefit from this. Have a profitable year ahead. So see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.